Okay, so we've put in this aquaponics unit, and I've put some planter pots in there. This unit will be for lettuce and small growing plants that don't overrun the whole system. So what I've done is I've drilled a big hole for these cups to be held, and also this little one here. I might get some smaller cups or just leave that as an observation window. And as you can see, I've capped both ends, so we'll be able to maintain the water that's already in there. And all we do is put some plants in it and a bit of nourishment like seaweed food or seafood or some sort of natural organic fertilizer, and just let it grow. And that's the start of my aquaponics. Of course, on the bottom here, when I get these trays all nice and neat, I'll have these full of soil, and I'll plant my silver beet down the bottom here. And these half-cut water bottles. I'll have about 8 or 10 of them on the bottom here, and then further up the scale, up around here, I'm going to have more containers hanging down, and that'll be for the tomatoes, but that'll be a later video. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed my progress so far, and we'll catch you on the next video. Mā te wā.